Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your reasoning class. This video lecture is for classes 4th and 5th. Subject Reasoning, Chapter 31. Name of the chapter is Series and Pattern Completion. And this is our lecture number 3. In today's lecture, we will study about alphabet series. Let me explain you with the help of example. Question will be same. Complete the series the or the. Okay. Complete the series by encircling the correct option. Question will be in this way. Now I will tell you how the question can come with the help of example. I am taking the example of single alphabet series like this. Okay, and the options are given to us. L, B is given to us, N, C option is given to us, O, and T option is given to us, P. Now we have to see this. This series can be of single alphabet, 2 alphabets together, 3 alphabets together, 4 alphabets together. It can come in any way. Now see A. After A, B and C are left. B is left, not C. C is already given. B is left, C is given. D, E. Now see D, E are left. D, E, F is given. G, H, I are left. J is given. Means 1 alphabet, 2 alphabets, 3 alphabets. Now we will leave 4. So after J, we will leave K, L, M and N. So next answer will be O. Is there any option? Yes. Understood? Now see the next example. Complete the series by encircling the correct answer. B, M, X. Now 3 alphabets are taken together. Then comma D and W, F, O, V. Now in this type of series, the relation can be between these 3 alphabets, or the relation can be first alphabet, then 4th, then 7th, like this. So you have to recognize. Now see. Now look here beta. B, C, D, E, F. So after B, D is there. C is left. After D, E is left and F is there. F, G we will leave and H will be taken. Right. Now we have 2 options with H. Now M, X, no, M, N. M, N, O, P. The answer is clear to you. Check the next. X, W, V, V, W, X. So here it should be U, U, V, W, X. So what is our answer? Which one? Option A. Got it? In this way, you have to recognize and find the correct option. Now, it's time to give homework questions. First homework question is dash PQB, comma RSC, comma, TUD. Here also comma is there. So, three alphabets are given together. You have to find out the relation and choose the correct option. Option A, B, C and D. 4 options are given. Question number 2. DFI, comma, KMP, comma, RTW, comma, dash. So you need to check, is there any relation between DFI or there is relation between DKR, and choose the correct option. Third question is CMG, comma, FPJ, comma, ISM, comma, dash. 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct option. Question number 4. Dash, comma, DYC, comma, FXC, comma, HWG, comma, JVI. So, check the relation and find the correct option. And last is 5th question, in which 4 alphabets are in a group. E, D, B, A, comma, K, J, H, G, comma, Q, P, N, M, comma, dash. You have to find out now the next 4 alphabets. From these options, choose the correct one. Now, it's time to do homework discussion of lecture 2. Let's discuss the first question. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 figures are given, but it is clearly visible that there is a relation between first and third. So we have to find out the 5th figure, which will be like first and the third. Now see, first figure is showing one circle having dot in between and arrow mark. The third figure is showing rotation. It has rotated at 90 degree and this figure is obtained. Now when we will rotate it 90 degree, this type of figure will be there. Check this, having dot also between the circle. Option C is showing that type of figure, right? Second question, say this first figure and second figure, cross sign is there. Now it has shifted to the another corner, then next corner, here, the next corner. Now it has to shift here. Check this, only in one figure it is showing to us cross sign. Okay, and in center the figure is not repeated at all. Circle, division, then here this square, then one more new type of figure is there. So check the new figure. Yes, all are containing pentagon having 5 sides. Okay, now see one more figure, so that to observe the correct option, till now we get the idea of D option. Triangle, rotated to that corner, again rotated to that corner, again rotated. Now triangle should be to the left side, bottom corner. Yes, it is clear that our answer is option D. Triangle we are getting here also, but cross sign is needed where that cross sign is not at the correct place. Now question number 3. In one figure there are 6 rectangles. In second figure 2 line segments are there, 2 are removed. In next these 2 are also removed. Means first figure से second figure में 2 line segment हटा दी, next में 2 more remove कर दी. Then in next figure change was done to the left side. Now the change has started to the right side. 2 line segments are removed. Now we will remove these 2 also in the next step. Only these 4 rectangles should be in our answer. So check there, 4 rectangles, only 4 rectangles in B. Got it? Now question number 4. In first figure, triangle is to the right side, upper corner. Then it is shifted. Next step it is shifted. So in each figure it is shifted from right to left on the corners. Now the position is here. Now it will shift at the top right side corner. It is in first figure, third and fourth. Second is wrong. Right? Now let's see this figure. It is very important to observe. The rotation of this figure I am going to explain you. See, the figure which is given in between, it is rotated. You are getting second figure. Now again rotate it. Again rotate it. Okay, getting it? Now when we will rotate, this is the figure which will be at the center. Now check. It is in option B, but option B is wrong. No, no. So our answer is option A. Question number 5. In first square, there are this first square, first block we can say. 3 figures are there. See the relation very carefully. This figure is shifted to right side upper corner. In each case, see, the square is shifted to right side upper corner. In next figure, circle is shifted. In next figure, this pentagon should be shifted to the right side top corner. So pentagon only in option B it is there. Understood? So you have to do the practice for these type of questions. Okay? Only then you can recognize. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.